Bella Hadid rocked a futuristic look for Givenchy's Paris Fashion Week show, complete with strange forehead studs and shaved eyebrows. The future is now. Supermodel Bella Hadid, 25, stomped the runway at Givenchy's Paris Fashion Week show, and rocked a bizarre and unique look while doing it, shaved eyebrows replaced with futuristic silver studs. After walking multiple runways during the exciting week of fashion attended by celebrities like Zendaya and Vanessa Hudgens, Bella didn't slow down, rocking the Givenchy runway in a layered black ensemble topped off with straight black hair, and a cozy, floor-length trench. Bella has been tearing up runways left and right at this year's Paris Fashion Week festivities, walking for everyone from Vivienne Westwood to Isabel Marant. She's even shared the runway with older sister Gigi Hadid, 26, on multiple occasions recently. The duo matched in sexy metallic dresses from Moschino's show at Milan Fashion Week and took New York Fashion Week by storm in glittery gowns from Michael Kors. But even with many shows under her belt, Bella wasn't done yet and looked transformed in the darkly casual Givenchy look. From a black hoodie embroidered with flames to a black hobo bag, Bella's unique look came together to highlight her facial jewelry, which almost evoked little devil horns. Incomplete without a pop of color, deep purple pointed stilettos were visible peeping out from Bella's baggy black pants. Related gallery. Bella Hadid's hottest runway looks, photos of the model hitting the catwalk. Hot commodity. Bella even found herself walking in what may have been PFW's most anticipated moment, the Balenciaga runway show. Attended by everyone from Salma Hayek to brand muse Kim Kardashian, Bella stunned the crowd in a fitted white gown showing off her slim curves, as well as futuristic black sunglasses and white gloves. Accessorizing with a high, slicked back ponytail, Bella's look had the brand's signature streamlined style written all over it. The Balenciaga show first drew buzz after the brand sent out non-usable iPhones as invitations, describing them as real artifacts from the year 2022. The show itself, however, proved to be far from materialistic and focused in on how fashion doesn't matter now in the face of the chaos in Ukraine. Balenciaga creative director Demna, who himself fled Georgia as refugee years ago, recited a heartfelt poem dedicated to Ukrainians seeking asylum as models strutted down the runway.